Good afternoon. It is Sunday, August 16th at about 5:30ish in the afternoon. And just an update, kind of doing this literally step by step. No, Jakey, you stay right here. I don't know if it's just partly cloudy or it's still those Canadian wildfires. But I put the roof rafters up with the Hurricane H1 clips. So it's starting to take a shape. So we got them all up. And I'm not sure. I was going to put those firewood contraptions I bought when I first got up here because I didn't have anything. And I put one in since I still have to put a stud in here.